In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog with Notion in just 5 minutes. Notion is a versatile tool that allows you to organize your thoughts, tasks, and projects. But today, we're focusing on setting it up for blogging. Whether you're a seasoned blogger wanting to explore new platforms or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. The first thing you'll need is a Notion account. If you don't already have one, don't worry. Signing up for a free personal account is a breeze. Simply navigate to the Notion website and follow the prompts to create your account. It's straightforward, and in just a few clicks, you'll be all set to get started on your blogging journey. Once you're logged into Notion, it's time to create a new page. You can choose to start with a blank page for a fully customized experience. Or, if you prefer, select from a variety of pre-made templates specifically designed for blogging. These templates provide an excellent starting point if you're unsure about layout choices and can save you some time in the initial setup. With your page ready, it's time to add some content. Notion makes it incredibly easy to add text, images, tables, and more. Think about what you want to say and how you want your blog to look. You can write directly into Notion and immediately see how your content is coming together. The drag and drop feature is particularly useful here, allowing you to easily rearrange your content and experiment with the layout until you're satisfied. As you start building your page, you might find yourself wanting to reorganize things for better flow or aesthetics. Notion's interface is user-friendly and allows you to effortlessly drag and drop elements into your desired layout. This flexibility is excellent for creating an inviting and professional-looking blog without needing any design expertise. Once your content is organized to your liking, look at the top right corner of your page and click on the Share button. This will open up options for publishing your creation. Navigate to the Publish tab and select Publish to Web. This step makes your blog publicly accessible, allowing anyone with the link to view it. After you publish, Notion will provide a unique URL for your blog. This becomes your blog's home on the web, and you can share this link with friends, family, or your broader audience. To share, simply copy the URL and distribute it through your preferred channels, such as social media, newsletters, or invitations. And there you have it. In just a few steps and a matter of minutes, you've set up a blog using Notion. Now you can focus on regularly updating your content and watching your audience grow. Good luck, and enjoy your new platform for expression.